Today, I went on the hunt for Prismatic, and we found Fusion Strike and Chilling Rain. Because Prismatic is basically impossible to find. But Fusion Strike feels like a good hit. Because we are still chasing the Espeon that comes in there. Will we find it, or will we not? It also comes with the Chilling Rain pack. I'm not even sure what the chase card is for that. Maybe we'll get something, maybe not. Nice little Applin. There is a code card. And we have more Pekko. Also comes with a coin. So we are going to open the Chilling Rain. And hope for the best. It's Chilling Rain, Sword and Shield, I think, right? Yeah, it's Sword and Shield, so 1, 2, 3. Dynatree Hill, Justified Glove, Energy, Coughing, Mask, Snowrunt, Grookey, Smacking That Tree, Inkay, Cobalion, oop, there's something in here, a Galarian Zapdos V. I haven't seen this before, and this one doesn't look too bad. But also not what we are looking for. We are looking for the Espeon from here. Please let us get lucky. Here is code card, upside down. Same thing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, Quick Ball, Sharpedo, Heliolisk, Galarian Meowth, Gossifleur, Panpour, Eevee, oh, skipped one, Shinx, Vulpix, and we struck out with a Luxray. And there's Sharpedo back there for some reason.